The RMS Titanic is one of the most iconic and tragic ships in history. It was a British passenger liner that set sail on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England, to New York City, United States, on April 10, 1912. Regarded as the epitome of luxury and opulence, the Titanic was designed to be unsinkable but tragically met its demise just 4 days into its voyage. In this essay, we will delve into the history, construction, voyage, sinking, and the legacy of the Titanic, highlighting the profound impact it has had on maritime safety and popular culture. History: the Titanic was commissioned by the White Star Line, a prominent British shipping company. Its construction began in 1909 at the Harland and Wolff shipyard in Belfast, Northern Ireland. The ship was designed by Thomas Andrews and was intended to be the largest and most luxurious ship of its time. The name, Titanic, was derived from Greek mythology, symbolizing great size and power. Construction: the construction of the Titanic took around 3 years, employing thousands of workers. The ship was a marvel of engineering, boasting a length of 882 feet and a gross tonnage of over 46,000. It had 9 decks and could accommodate approximately 2,435 passengers and 892 crew members. The ship featured lavish amenities, including a swimming pool, gymnasium, libraries, and opulent first-class cabins. Voyage and passengers: the Titanic's maiden voyage commenced on April 10, 1912. It carried an eclectic mix of passengers from different social classes. The first-class passengers included wealthy industrialists, celebrities, and politicians, while the second and third classes catered to immigrants seeking a new life in America. The ship's grandeur and reputation attracted widespread media attention. The tragedy: on the night of April 14, 1912, disaster struck. The Titanic collided with an iceberg in the North Atlantic Ocean, causing extensive damage to its hull. The ship was not equipped with enough lifeboats to accommodate all the passengers and crew, leading to a catastrophic loss of life. Despite the heroic efforts of the crew and the deployment of distress signals, the Titanic sank in the early hours of April 15, 1912, claiming the lives of more than 1,500 people. Investigation and changes in maritime safety: the sinking of the Titanic prompted a global outcry and led to significant changes in maritime safety regulations. The disaster revealed flaws in the ship's design and safety measures, exposing the need for improvements. As a result, the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SALAS, was established in 1914, which introduced comprehensive safety requirements for passenger ships. These regulations included the provision of lifeboats for all passengers, mandatory safety drills, improved radio communication, and the establishment of the International Ice Patrol to monitor icebergs. Titanic's legacy: the sinking of the Titanic left an indelible mark on history and popular culture. Numerous books, documentaries, and movies have been made about the tragedy, capturing the public's fascination with the ship. One of the most famous films, Titanic, directed by James Cameron, was released in 1997 and became a worldwide sensation, reigniting interest in the story of the ship. The wreckage of the Titanic was discovered in 1985 by a team led by Robert Ballard. Subsequent expeditions have provided valuable insights into the conditions of the shipwreck and helped preserve its historical significance. Artifacts salvaged from the wreck are now housed in museums worldwide, offering a tangible connection to the past. The RMS Titanic, with its grandeur, tragedy, and enduring legacy, continues to captivate the imagination of people around the world. It stands as a somber reminder of the consequences of human overconfidence and the importance of safety measures in the maritime industry. The sinking of the Titanic resulted in significant improvements in maritime safety regulations, ensuring that such a tragedy would not be repeated. As we reflect on the history of the Titanic, we remember the lives lost and the lessons learned, ensuring that their memory lives on and contributes to a safer future at sea.